The Luna Foundation god is well in the green as Terra co-founder dogecoin stresses he is not capable of moving Bitcoin's markets. Bitcoin is already netted its biggest new buyer, almost $200 million in profits from price increases, data suggests. Analysis of the wallet related to blockchain protocol Terra revealed that it stands to begin impressing Bitcoin in Q1 this year. It is up $165 million. The Luna Foundation god, a non-profit organization around Terra, is currently following through on its plans to back its new Terra USD stablecoin with Bitcoins and its native Luna token. The plans were only revealed this month by Terra co-founder dogecoin, but the destination wallet for the funds has been active longer and saw significant influence back in January. Since mid-March, buying has accelerated in just a few short weeks, countering criticism of Terra's plans by Goldbug Peter Schiff. Meanwhile, none appear to deny that the idea such a large volume investments run could produce Bitcoin price upside. If I was capable of moving Bitcoin, it would not be fit as a reverse assets, he wrote as a part of Twitter that with the Schiff Thursday. Schiff had argued that the aim of backing a United States dollar stablecoins with anything other than USD makes no sense. As Cointelegraph reported, Terra plans to buy a total of $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. While MicroStrategy plans to keep buying, there has been no such commitments from runner-up Tesla, which holds an estimate of 43,200 Bitcoin. In terms of net profits, Tesla is up 1.3 times versus its initial purchase price, while MicroStrategy is up 1.6 times. Data from monitoring resources Bitcoin shows. The views and opinions expressed are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of the crypto life. Each investment and trading more involve risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. The Bitcoin wallet belonging to Terra amassed a further 139 million in Bitcoins, bringing its total coffers up to 31,000 Bitcoin or $1.4 billion. Watch out, Michael Saylor, renowned CEO of the Terraform Labs, is hot on the heels of the MicroStrategy CEO. The Terra wallet belonging to the Luna Foundation god has now amassed almost $1.5 billion in Bitcoins following another hedged Bitcoin purchase. The wallet address thought to belongs to Terra received another $139 million in Wednesday. Wallet alert accounts on Twitter have been tracking the wallet. The wallet began amassing closer amounts of Bitcoin in January 21 and has not sold a single Satoshi. As a result, now has been stacking swords harder and faster than even the biggest Bitcoin bulls. According to Bitcoin treasuries, Terraform Labs will soon sidestep Tesla as the second largest holders of Bitcoin with MicroStrategy in its sights. Ultimately, Noun's aim, as he is in the following video, is to ensure his Bitcoin's coffer rivals at the Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous creator of Bitcoin. Terra is a decentralized blockchain platform that specializes in stablecoin mining. Its Terra USD UST is an algorithmic stablecoin pegged to the value of the United States dollars, with the USD value of poetry maintained by an equivalent amount of its native token Terra Luna. Specific details are sparse at this stage. However, Cohn noted via Twitter on Monday that Terra will not sell its native asset token Luna to build its reserves and that more information is coming soon. P2P electronic cash that is easier to spend and more attractive to hold, he added. When users on Twitter asked Cohn what the Bitcoin reserves will be used for, he responded that the funds will be used to backstop short-term USD redemptions and for a decentralized forex reserve. This is the second time this month Cohn has outlined plans to fortify reserves backing Terra stablecoin. After TFL donated 12 million Luna to the Luna Foundation god LFG on Friday, worth around $1 billion at current prices, to support the growth of the Terra ecosystem and the sustainability of its stablecoins, Noun outlines that the project will keep growing reserves until it becomes mathematically impossible for idiots to claim depeg risk for USD. According to data from CoinGecko, the market cap of USD currently sits at $15.12 billion. Bitcoin price action seems willing to consolidate recent gains, with the yearly opens still viewed as the crucial levels to maintain. Bitcoin hinted at a welcomed retracement overnight into March 13 after relentless upside failed to flip a $48,000 to spot. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that Bitcoin USD dipping to $46,000 on Bitstamps as Wednesday began its lowest since March 27. A subsequent rebound avoided some of the losses. At the time of shooting this video, the pair traded at around $47,000. The change of the tag followed a cooling of the narratives which had surrounding Bitcoin's initial push beyond its yearly open price of $46,000, a significant achievement that ended the cryptocurrency multi-month trading range. Blockchain protocol Terra, on its way to amassing an initial $3 billion in Bitcoin for its new stablecoin, was now an unofficial break from purchase. Data from its target wallet appeared to show. Bitcoin last arrived on March 28, but since then, the wallet's $1.32 billion balance remains unchanged. Do count, the Terra co-founder who had initially made the buy in public had not made by any comments about a potential change in strategy at the time of the shooting this video. For popular trader Pantoshi, there was nonetheless still room for the further gains above $50,000 in the Bitcoin's next impulse move whenever it might come. As Cointelegraph reported, the yearly open is key important for many as a news spot. Losing this as such an early stage of the world, they would mean that the trading range has not been gently broken. Another more sobering take on current Bitcoin price action focused on Bitcoin's trading habits. As previously noted by Philip, co-founder of the trading suit Decent Trader, Bitcoin is being treated less like gold and more like a tech stock under current price actions, adding to an existing stock correlations that must be broken to avoid price forecasters. The discussion continued on social media this week as popular Twitter account 480bug laid out a misgivings based on Bitcoin's performance this year. Hodlers they argued they had been disappointed by Bitcoin's failure to act as an inflation hedge. Bitcoin does not have the characteristics of the gold withstand rate hikes and tightening cycles or black swan events one posted. Existing concerns over how United States monetary policy change would impact performance were also heeded, these extending beyond Bitcoins to risk assets more broadly. Thanks for watching Crypto Live. If you haven't already, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on post notification. See you next time.